endless night. Your smile's a warmth I'll never hold, a story of love that remains untold. I trace the lines of what could be, a fragile dream that's out of reach for me. You're the song my heart can't sing, a fleeting touch, a broken wing. How do I let go of what feels so true when every moment leads me back to you? I'm trapped in silence, lost in pain. Loving you is my sweetest chain. You're the love I cannot have, a bittersweet path I can't walk past. Every heartbeat calls your name, but I'm alone in this endless game. You're the dream I can't make real, a wound my soul will never heal. You're the love I cannot have, but the only one my heart will grasp. I watch you drift into someone's arms, a perfect world that keeps you warm. And though I smile, it's just a lie. I break a little each time you pass by. I write my feelings in the stars above, hoping they'll reach you, my silent love. But the universe holds its cruel design. You'll never be what's truly mine. I try to move on, to let you go, but your shadow follows wherever I roam. This love's a fire that burns me through, a flame I can't extinguish for you. You're the love I cannot have, a bittersweet path I can't walk past. Every heartbeat calls your name, but I'm alone in this endless game. You're the dream I can't make real, a wound my soul will never heal. You're the love I cannot have, but the only one my heart will grasp. If only I could rewrite the skies, erase the tears from these tired eyes. But fate has spoken and it's clear, a flame I can't extinguish for you. You're the love I cannot have, a bittersweet path I can't walk past. Every heartbeat calls your name, but I'm alone in this endless game. You're the dream I can't make real, a wound my soul will never heal. You're the love I cannot have, yet forever you'll own my heart at last. A love I cannot claim or keep, a secret I'll carry forever deep. You're the love I'll always crave, but never mind beyond the grave.